This is the bottom of the sewing machine motor out of my Singer 401. I was watching an AndyTube video the other day when he was trying to move this retaining spring for this bushing. He was using the wooden dowel, which worked, but I thought I'd try and come up with a 3D equivalent that maybe worked a bit better. So I'm just going to try it here and see how well it works. Put it on the wings. And out it comes. See, the wings are curved up, so the trick is you got to flatten them and then twist. Now to put it back together, a little awkward working down the bottom of this thing. Okay, let's try it again. Not quite. There it is, back together.